Hi friends, a heartily welcome back you all. Today we are going to see about a fantastic business promotion on Reserve BTC company where you can get a lot of non-working income here. In addition, they have also given their website for more details where they have also given all details about the company here. So take time to read it. Then it is a 100% legalized certificate company where they have provided their legal certificate. Here they have also given 7 types of business plan income with various non-working income. Starting package it is $15, the second package will be $30 and the third package will be $60. Fourth package will be $120, fifth package will be $240 and sixth package will be $480 and seventh package will be $960. Where they have also planned a package plan where if you are attending first package, if you have 10 members in your team, per head you will get $0.0135. So daily income will be $0.135. Then your monthly income will be $4.05. If you have 100 members in your team, per head your income will be $0.0275. So daily income will be $2.75. Your monthly income will be $82.5. If you have 1000 members in your team, per head you will get $0.0405. Daily income will be $40.5. Monthly income will be $1215. Then if you have 10,000 members in your team, per head you will get $0.054. Daily income will be $540 and at last your monthly income will be $16,200. Then in the fifth level, if you have 1 lakh members in your team, your per head income will be $0.0675. So daily income will be $6,750 and your monthly income will be $2,0500. If you have 10 lakh members in your team, per head your income will be $0.081. So your daily income will be $81,000. So your monthly income will be $24,30,000. At last in your seventh level, if you have 1 crore members in your team, your per head income will be $0.0945. Your daily income will be $9,45,000. So your monthly income will be $2,83,50,000. And package 2, in first level, per head you will get your income as $0.0275. Your daily income will be $0.27. Your monthly income will be $8.1. In second level, per head income will be $0.055 and your daily income will be $5.5 and your monthly income will be $165. In third level, you get per head income as $0.081. Your daily income will be $81. Monthly income will be $2,430. In fourth level, per head income will be $0.108. Your daily income will be $1,080. So your monthly income will be $32,400. In fifth level, per head income will be $0.135 and your daily income will be $13,500 and your monthly income will be $4,05,500. In sixth level, per head you will get as $0.162. So your daily income will be $1,62,000. So your monthly income will be $48,60,000. At last in seventh level, per head you will get your income as $0.189. So your daily income will be $18,90,000 and your monthly income will be $5,67,00,000. Then in package 3, in first level you get per head income as $0.054. Your daily income will be $0.54 and your monthly income will be $16.2. Here package 3 you can also see for each level you are getting your increment. In package 4 the similar method is written while you can get a similar method in each packages. Absolutely in package 5 and absolutely in package 6 and extremely in package 7 too. You can get all information by giving this lot. Then in package daily bonus for 120 days. In this package daily bonus, in the first package level you can get a bonus of $0.25. In second package you will get a bonus of $0.50. In third package you will get $1. In fourth package you will get $2 and in fifth package you get $4 and in your sixth package you get $8 and at last in seventh package you will get $16. Then level income for direct condition. In first level you have to have a one direct income, so you can get one direct. In second level you have need one direct. In third and fourth level 2. In fifth to seventh level you have to need two directs as your downline. Here they also given a terms and conditions, where for minimum withdrawal they have given $5, for maximum withdrawal it is unlimited. There will be a detection charge for 10% for the wallet transfer and 15% for withdrawals. To get daily income from your team, your package should have same or higher than your team members. If your package is lower than any one of your team members, then you will not get daily level income from that particular team member till you upgrade to same of a higher package. After you upgrade to same of higher package, income will be start automatically. They have also given various package terms, where in starting $15 package, maximum income limit will be $100. Upgrade package 2 of $30 is mandatory to get higher income. The same procedure is followed for the last 7 package. All package can be upgraded all together at any instance. This is the terms and conditions they have given. Then for more details, they also can support you through Telegram and Telegram official website too. So friends, thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much.